Hey, how's everybody doing? It's PJ 437 Motorsports. This is going to be a quick little video on my 2013 GMC Sierra Duramax. Been getting water on the inside of the truck. I thought it was the third brake light, so I sealed that up with some silicone last night. As you can see, it's right up there, wherever. Get my hand right there. Put silicone around the seal. I thought it was leaking from there because the inside in the corners of the headliner, it was getting wet and running down into the floorboard. So I did a little research, and it looks like GM decided to put a little plastic clip up top in the corner there for some weather stripping, which I'll show you here in just a second. That seems to be the culprit of the water getting into the headliner in the corners, and also running down into the floorboard. So as you can see from where the water has been leaking in, kind of stained the headliner, which it was a little bit like that when I got it, so I wasn't sure what was causing it. But it is wet up here from last night's rain. And the floor is not terribly damp, but it is damp. So we're going to try to take care of that today. So right here, you see where the molding is stuck there. I got to clean that up some. It's pretty dirty. Right there is a plastic clip. It's got a hole in the corner of the cab there. So we're going to clean that up a little bit and put some silicone around it. See if that takes care of the problem. Alright, so there's the hole in the cab. You can see a little plastic tab. I wiped it down, cleaned it off a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little dab of silicone around this right here, and then reinsert it and do the other side also. And then we'll see what happens from there. See if we're still getting water in after this one dries up, hopefully. So there you go, just put some silicone around it. And we're going to stick it down and hope it does the trick. Just press that back in and let it set. Hopefully it sets up and we don't have any more problems. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share if you don't mind. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell for notifications so you get a notification on my next upload. And have a good evening.